Ta-da! Every time Asus sends us a package, I get pretty excited, guys, because they always surprise me with something new. Today also they sent us very interesting product to unbox and show you people in this video. This is one of their smallest PCs the brand has ever made and comes under a mini PC category. So mini PCs are like very small compact PCs, guys, but don't be fooled by the size. They're actually like quite powerful and can pack up to like Intel's i7 CPUs on board. Hardware is like pretty intense for that size, guys. So this is what we'll be unboxing and checking out in this video. So Asus has sent us their all new PN63S1 mini PC, that is a model powered by Intel's 11th gen CPUs, and we'll be unboxing and talking about all of its features, applications, and basically what you can do with this product. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. And by the way, the video is sponsored by the brand, so a big thank you to them. So our mini PC from Asus came in this sort of box packaging. Nothing much mentioned over here, guys, just the Asus and Intel branding on the box, and as soon as you open it, we've got the product at the top. Look at this, it's very small and compact, right? Imagine a full-fledged PC in the size of your palm. That is this product, guys. Model, as I've told you, PN63S1, and this is how it looks like. In the box you get a DC power adapter for the PC, some installation screws and stuff. You also have some paperwork, make sure to read that, and lastly you get a VESA standard mount bracket for the PC, so you can even fix it behind your monitor for an all-in-one solution. That's it, these are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let me give you a closer look and talk about the product. So guys, our initial impressions, PC is like super compact and small but quite heavy in the hand. Build quality also looks pretty solid, that is what I can say. So let me give you a walk around and show you what do we have on all the sides. Starting off from the front, you've got the Asus branding over here, followed by a couple of buttons and connectivity ports. You have the power button over here that is also backlit, followed by a USB 3.0 super speed port. Type C port is also available, 3.5mm audio jack, and a hard disk indicator light. The left and right side of the PC are ventilated for air circulation and airflow. On the right side you have a SD card reader, that is a very good thing, and going to the left there is nothing over here, guys. Looks like just a simple Kensington lock. And at the back is where you've got all your remaining connectivity ports. There's a DC in port for the power adapter, two more USB 3.0 super speed ports, LAN port is also available, a mini DP port, full-sized HDMI, and a full-size display port is also available. That's it, these are all the available ports on it, and here's how the bottom panel looks like. You just have some details about the product and model, and let me tell you, this whole thing is like super customizable, guys. The bottom panel comes out and you can easily upgrade both the RAM and storage on this thing. So that was our unboxing and initial impressions at the product. Now what I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look at the product and talk about the design and build quality part. So the PN63S1 from Asus is a very compact and portable mini PC, guys. I mean, just look at the size of this thing, measuring at only around 5 by 5 inches. It's a squarish form factor PC and just the size of your palm. You can actually like place it at the back of your monitor because it's got VESA mount plate compatibility, right? Just use that bracket, fix this mini PC at the back of your monitor and use it like an all-in-one system without the clutter of all cables and saving a lot of space on your desk. So it's like great for that sort of applications or for people who are having like limited space on your desk. So the PN63 actually comes in two editions, guys. You get a bare bones edition and a fully configured edition. So let me actually tell you what a bare bones mini PC is. So a bare bones edition means that the PC only has like essential hardware, guys. It's not like a fully ready to go out of the box system. It only comes with like essential stuff, maybe like motherboard, CPU, GPU, and Wi-Fi chip, Bluetooth chip, and that's it. You don't get RAM or storage inside that. You will have to install it yourself and customize it as per your requirement. On the other hand, a fully configured mini PC comes with everything out of the box. It's like plug and play, guys. So if you're a guy who doesn't have time to play with this PC, customizing it, upgrading it, or if you're a guy who doesn't have idea how to open it, install all those components by yourself, then you might want to go for the fully configured edition. But if you're like a PC enthusiast and you want to customize this PC yourself with your favorite components, maybe like storage and RAM, and you want to give it like max performance, then you have to go for the bare bones edition, guys. That is the way. So today in the house we have a semi bare bones edition. The RAM on it was like already installed from Asus because it's a review unit, right? But on the other hand, storage will be installed by us. So I'll quickly show you how to do that also. Very easy to open this mini PC and install both the RAM and storage. So you've got like 4 screws on the bottom. Just open it up and the bottom panel comes out like this. Just be a bit careful with this ribbon cable over here, it can be a bit delicate, but apart from that, everything else is like very easily accessible. So this is the RAM section, guys. As you can see, we have two DDR4 RAM slots over here, and yes, both the RAM and storage are upgradable. You can upgrade the RAM up to like 64 GB max capacity, and out of the box, as I've told you, this is a review unit. We got one 4 GB RAM stick and the other one was an 8 GB RAM stick. So totally we are having like 12 gigs of DDR4 RAM on board. And on the storage section, this mini PC can accommodate two M.2 NVMe Gen 4 SSDs along with a 2.5-inch SATA SSD as well. So we'll be filling both a 2.5-inch SATA SSD as well as an M.2 drive also. Installing the 2.5-inch SSD is very simple. You have a slot dedicatedly on the bottom panel. You just need to insert the SSD over here and push it gently until it clicks itself into the connector. And that's it, you're done with the installation of the 2.5-inch SSD. Now installing the M.2 drive is same just as how you would do on your regular DIY PC. Simply insert the drive in the M.2 slot at a 45-degree angle and tighten it up with the provided SSD screw. And that is it, guys. You are completely done with the installation of the storage as well as the RAM. Now talking about the performance, as I've told you, this mini PC is available in different configurations. It's basically powered by Intel's 11th gen chips and is available in i3 variant, i5 variant and i7 edition as well. Today in the house we have the i3 variant, the 1115G4, which is a 2-core 4-thread CPU with a max turbo of up to 4.1 GHz. There is no dedicated GPU here because of size restrictions, so only built-in graphics are available. The i3 features Intel's UHD graphics, but i5 and i7 higher end variants feature Intel Iris Xe graphics. Pair that with 12 gigs of RAM in a dual channel configuration and a 512 GB NVMe SSD, this is actually a pretty decent performing machine on a budget. See, mini PCs are usually bought where space is like a major constraint. The box is so small and compact, you can just put it anywhere, guys, or simply VESA mount it behind your monitor and boom, you're all good to go. It's great for both home and office needs. I've been testing this product for quite some time and let me tell you, it was actually quite responsive. I ran like half a dozen Chrome tabs at the same time, some of them playing 1080p videos on YouTube, browsing the web, checking my emails, all of these at the same time, and I didn't face any sorts of lags or stutters. Everything was running smooth on the PC. Intel's 11th gen i3 is a very good CPU on a budget. Based on a 10nm superfin process, the Tiger Lake i3 can easily handle most of your day-to-day tasks without any sweat. And on top of that, the PN63 also supports Intel's dynamic tuning technology, right? It will automatically analyze the whole system and dynamically allocates the power between the Intel processor and the graphics to ensure best system performance. I've even used it for photo editing and also basic video editing as well, and the PC was handling it well, as you can see in the video. I could do Photoshop very easily on this system and simple 1080p video editing was also possible. But don't expect you can do full-on graphics, After Effects sort of stuff. No, this is not sufficient for that work. You'll need to go for like higher end configured variants. And talking about gaming, first of all, let me tell you, this was not made for that purpose. So don't expect you can game on this system. But if you do get the i5 or i7 variants, those can handle minimum of 720p gaming because of the better Iris Xe graphics on board. But see, on the overall for this price point, it was actually doing a decent job. You'll be like pretty satisfied with the performance. It's more than enough for your home purpose, your kids' education or school needs, and even covers your basic office needs as well. Cherry on the top is this little guy has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth also on board. So Chota packet Bada Dhamaka is what I can say. Well, that's it, our video on Asus PN63S1 mini PC. What do you people think about this product? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. And talking about the pricing, the Barebones edition Intel i3 variant costs around 28,000 rupees in India. The i5 variant is priced at 34,000 rupees and the i7 variant is available somewhere around like 45,000 rupees. Links for those will be in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got to know everything about the product. So make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.